Well, a judge is set to weigh in today on a new policy that bans guns at the State Fair of Texas.
Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton says that restrictions violate state law. Fox 4's Dan Godwin live outside the courthouse in Dallas with a preview of the proceedings today. Dan?
And Lauren, what we have here is an interesting legal dispute about where the Texas law allowing concealed carry of firearms can be in effect. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton claims that banning firearms from the fairgrounds infringes on the gun rights of individual Texans. Paxton points out that the state fair takes place on property owned by the city of Dallas, and therefore state law would apply there. But the state fair and the city of Dallas don't see it that way. The city says the state fair is a private event operated and controlled by a nonprofit organization that leases the property, and therefore the fair can set its own policy when it comes to who can carry weapons on the fairgrounds. Both sides will argue their positions this morning before Judge Emily Tobolowsky.
I think she'll have some questions of the lawyers for the AG and for the state fair about some of the points that may not be clear, but I would expect a very prompt ruling, and I would then expect a very prompt appeal by whoever loses to either our Court of Appeals in Dallas or the Texas Supreme Court.
David Cole is a constitutional law attorney. Now, it turns out back in 2016, Paxton took a very different view from what he's currently arguing. 8 years ago, Paxton's office told Fort Worth's mayor the Fort Worth Zoo was within its rights to ban concealed carry. But on the 10th of this month, Paxton withdrew that 2016 opinion after he filed the current lawsuit against the city of Dallas. Today's hearing set to begin at 9 a.m. The state fair set to kick off a week from tomorrow. David Cole, that lawyer we spoke to, said he doesn't expect this legal back and forth to delay the start of the 2024 State Fair of Texas. Reporting live outside the George Allen Courts building, Dan Godwin on Good Day.